Yes, my friend, come. How are you, my friend? Where are you from? Yes, madam. How are you?
Fine.
My child is so beautiful.
Thanks.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, she's my she's my husband, but we can talk.
Yes. Can you give me your number?
My number?
Yeah.
No, I don't have any. I don't have.
You don't have phone?
Anasema hivi ati kama
mama yangu,
umeongea na yeye
game over.
umemwambia nini? Wewe umemwambia nini?
Mwenye uwanja wake
Madam,
kaingia.
I can buy for you an iPhone.
An iPhone?
Game ikai.
Yes, I can agree with you.
Okay.
You mean you will love me?
Yes.
Because you know what?
Yeah.
I don't love him. I don't love him. I don't have him.
Okay. I'm getting you, my friend.
Anasema hivi ati uwe ni brother yangu ama nikamwambia wewe ni bwanangu. Sinajua television tunapendana. Unajua? Nakupenda sana.
Okay. How will I get you now?
I live with my cousin. My cousin.
Okay.
My cousin. So, you can call my cousin.
Mwambie tunaenda
Yeah.
Ati tunaenda?
Mwambie tunaenda.
You will find
We
me
have
when
to
you will
go.
be back. You will find me.
Here.
Yeah.
I have come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning.
Mama yangu. Game over. Mama yangu.